So now Donald Trump wants Greenland. He also wants Canada, but vis-a-vis Canada, we will discuss in some another video. But let's talk about Greenland. And even in his first term as the president of United States, he talked about Greenland, and Danish people, Danish government, they opposed it. And now once again he's talking about Greenland to be part of United States of America. Now, what is the reason behind that? The main reason is the hidden wealth which is there in that particular region, and all the countries, let it be the Scandinavian countries, let it be Russia, all the countries who are the part of that Arctic region, want to explore and exploit those resources, be it oil, be it gas, be it rare earth minerals and other stuff, and they are competing for those resources, and United States of America and Donald Trump also want their share of the pie, and that is the reason Donald Trump wants Greenland to be part of United States of America. I don't think there is a greed of land, but there is a greed of hidden wealth in those regions, and as the temperatures are increasing due to global warming, the ice is melting in the Arctic, and now getting those resources off the ground is much more easier. So Russia is competing, China also is competing, Scandinavian countries definitely they are competing, Canada is competing, and United States also want to compete. Now let's see, is there any Viking spirit hidden in the Danish community or Danish government or the country of Denmark? Let's see. I don't think that there is any, but they will resist. Let's see how much pressure the United States will exert on Denmark for Greenland.